In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking category in Xero, a task that can greatly enhance the way you manage your business finances. Having tracking categories in place allows you to segment your financial reports, making it much easier to analyze specific areas of your business. So, let's dive in and start by navigating to the Xero website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you've already saved your login details, you should have no trouble accessing the dashboard quickly. Once you're comfortably inside your Xero account, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will find the Settings menu. This is your gateway to all the back-end options that you might need to tweak and refine for your accounting needs. Go ahead and click on Settings. After clicking, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Since our focus is on accounting, look for the section labeled Accounting. Underneath this heading, you'll notice an option labeled Tracking Categories. This is where the magic happens, so simply click on Tracking Categories to move on to the next step. When the Tracking Categories page loads, you'll notice a button labeled Add Tracking Category. Clicking on this button is an important step in the process as it allows you to create a new category tailored to your business's specific needs. Once the page refreshes, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new tracking category. This could represent anything from different departments, such as sales or marketing, to specific projects you're working on. It's essential to choose a name that precisely captures the theme or area you are looking to track. Now, this is where you have the flexibility to add various options under this category. Each option represents a subset or specific division under the category you are creating. For example, if your tracking category name is Departments, you might add options like Sales, Marketing, and Human Resources. Don't worry if you need more than one option. You can simply click Add Another Item to include as many entries as necessary, ensuring you've covered all bases of what you need to track. After you've entered all your categories and their corresponding options, the final step is to save your work. To do this, navigate to the bottom of the window and click on the Save button. This action commits your new tracking category to your Xero account, making it available for immediate use in your financial reports. Congratulations, you've successfully added a tracking category to Xero and you're now set to take your financial reporting to the next level. With these steps, you can quickly adapt to different segmentation needs within your business, giving you more control and clarity over your financial data.